second wave. It wasn't as scary, but we'll have to take our precautions. Guys, wear your masks. I like you. No, I was just joking. निकाल दो भाई. मैं स्टेज पे कर रहा हूँ. मैंने नहीं पहना, आप क्यों पहनोगे? अच्छा, आ गया academic preparation. Okay. So, till the time it doesn't go back, let me very quickly make my point. Guys, we are into an education system which has never been upgraded for a very long time. If I do a Google research about how many of our Indian students are successfully able to do a master's, or how many can afford it, I see a bizarre number. What I see is a number of international schools opening up across India. And the education is not for you and me. It's for the rich. It's not for us. Have we realized that? We do. But have we also realized that even if it was for the rich, how many of international schools do we have in Hyderabad? We never have a count about it. Do we? No, we don't. Do we know what is different in an international school compared to what it was in the state board? No, we don't. But what we know is that we have completed a graduation with a 70% in India, and I want to go for a direct entry to the UK. That's a wrong choice. Success, like he rightly said, getting an offer letter is success. Getting an admission is a success. Getting to the UK is a success. There's one more phase to success is the completion, like I said. And that's the preparation that you require. There are a lot of things that you may not be familiar of in terms of an academic preparation. How many of us have heard of the word plagiarism? Only students, no counselors. No one? Okay. You will never be able to successfully submit an assignment in the UK if you don't know what this means. And by the time you go to the UK for a direct entry, and by the time you realize that you had to know this, and by the time you realize that you've messed up, you've already bypassed 1 semester, 2 semesters, which is 6 months. We all related to education, right? Do we understand the value of what an average score is? If I give you 3 exams, 3 out of 100, you score 0 in 1, you may score 100 in the other 2. Does it not spoil your average score? It does, right? Horribly. And that's exactly what we do not want you to do. We want you to understand what is the academics, how do they teach, how do you learn, and that's an academic preparation that we offer as one of our key features. I don't want to start this with another joke, which I remember. I don't know if you guys are going to laugh or no, but I'm saying this as an incident that was shared with me with one of my Punjab agents. But I'll share this with you. If you want to laugh, you laugh. If you don't want to, take a learning behind this. And this is very important. Why is it important? 2 Punjabis traveling to the UK, landed at the Heathrow airport, both waiting for their immigration. This was last year, September. The immigration officer, he called up these guys. So these 2 guys sitting in the queue, they were friends at the Heathrow airport. The officer said, okay, fine, come. Now he saw me saying come, but he also saw me saying come. So he started, and I called out to him. So I said, wait. He says 65 kgs. That's an English preparation, guys. We need to believe the fact. How many friends here, how many family members, how many father sons here have spoken in English with each other? None. Where are we sending our students? Where are we sending ourselves? Where are our children going? To the UK, where the most common language is English. But what are we sending them for? We're sending them for a direct entry without ensuring our students, our child is even prepared. And that's the problem. The second feature was obviously the English preparation. What is a teacher? Someone who teaches you? A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. I have an Indian student at hand who is not familiar about the international teaching standards. They need to be picked up from their last 15, 12, 15, whatever your last qualification, 12th standard, graduation, they need to transform your brains from a 15 years Indian education system to an international teaching standards. This cannot happen by a teacher merely. Just a teacher cannot just walk into a classroom and teach you how to become an international student. You require that specialized support. So our teachers are not just teachers, but they are specialized in what they do so that they can transform you over a period of 1 or 2 terms, whatever you qualify for. We have a wide range of courses available. I'm not sure of how many of we are able to understand what a pathway course is. Surely by towards the end of the slide we will be able to. But with pathways, we do have a wide range of courses available, and which I will share with you shortly. That's the game, guys. If you can read on the screen, soft landing to the international education system. That's the game. We need to ensure that our students who are planning to travel to UK, where they're going to face a lot of challenges, the first challenge that they're going to face is the cultural difference. Biggest challenge. Second challenge is going to be the climate conditions. Have we ever gone to Jammu and Kashmir and come back without cold? We can never do that, right? Have you ever thought about it? What if the climate does not suit me? What happens then? I'm spending so much money to go to a university and I'm not even sure if I'll be able to get myself physically able to be attending my classes. Have you ever thought that will I get a house to live as per my choice? Have you ever thought, how will I survive what if I do not have the right funds available? These are challenges which our students do not realize when they're applying for a university. The few things that Indian students check, sir, MOI kidhar lete? Where is the fees? Where is the scholarship? Where do I get a direct entry? But what they do not realize is the main key factors which are directly connected to them. With Pathways, we give you a soft landing, the ability to reach to the UK, get settled, understand what an academic preparation is required, see the English language preparation that is required. Once you have inculcated in all these things in your mind, you are now upgraded to an international student, and then when you sit in a group of international students, you guys don't feel left out. You all don't feel embarrassed. So that's exactly what we do in a soft landing. What are the benefits of going through an Oxford International Education Group? We offer a single CAS and a single visa for the entire course duration. I don't think I have to elaborate on this point. The offer response time is 24 to 48 hours. Students who've been waiting for offer letters for I don't know how many, for how long, but the experience with Oxford International is we have offer letters sent out within 24 to 48 hours. Direct continuation to a chosen degree upon completion. So if you decide to go in for a pathway course is nothing else but an academic preparation before you start your main studies. You get the opportunity to continue with the course that you have selected at the time of the application. Even if you're going through a pathway course, I said at the start, I've got not 1, not 2, not 3, I've got 5 universities I've partnered up with, and I'm going to speak about them shortly. If you go to one of these universities for a pathway course, from day 1, you're considered as the university student and not labeled as a pathway student. There's no bifurcation there, sotela saga nahi hota hai. And then we've got dedicated student support team. I have a team in India. I've got the Savaria team. They're going to give you all the support you need. They're not able to solve your problem, come to me, I'll solve your problem. We give you a CAS, we give you a visa, you go to the UK, what happens then? Savaria does not come to the UK, Imran doesn't come to the UK. I've got a dedicated student support team in each and every university I'm going to send you to. So you'll find another Imran, another Savaria team there to support you, to guide you, to walk you through any challenges that you may face while you are in the UK. Flexible entry requirements. You guys have just passed out. हाथ में results नहीं है. You're not sure how do I proceed further because you don't have the results. You're waiting for it. Don't worry. Come to Oxford International. I recruit 5 times in a year. I recruit in September. I recruit in January. I take students in April. I take students in June. And then I'm going to give you a bonus entry in November. So we've got 5 intakes throughout the year. With the flexible entry requirements, this is a key. Most of us students that are sitting right here, I don't know how qualified you are, but I'm sure many of you are like me. We're 36% in your graduation or in their standard 12th. If you are, don't be embarrassed, even I'm the same category. So flexible entry requirements, it's very simple. We take students with pass class and above. So if you are keen on getting an admission in the UK, when most of your Indian universities are not going to accept you, trust me, I'm here for your support. I'm here to take you through, as long as you fit my criteria. So I said I've got not 1, 2, 3, I've got 5 partners. Who are my partners? Let's have a quick look. I'm partnered up with the De Montfort University, a well-renowned university in Hyderabad. This is located in Leicester, not in Hyderabad, obviously. And it's ranked gold for the teaching excellence framework. This is the max any university can get for their teaching standards. It stood first. DMU was the first ever university to be named as the University of the Year for Social Inclusion. This is ideally located in the center of England. This is where English started. So if you want to be here, you know that you need to upgrade your English. But surely the right city that you would like to be in. It is top 20. It was ranked top 20 for graduate prospects. 60% of their research is internationally recognized and applauded by. We've got a wide range of courses available, like I had said in the previous slide. So if you can see on the screen here, we've got art and design, business and law, life sciences, pharmacy, engineering and computing, media. These are available for any bachelor's students in the first category. And then we've got business studies, engineering and computing for bachelor's year 1. I will not read through the entire part, but that's the one for the master's courses that we offer. The next university we've got is the University of Greenwich, which is in London. 96%, and this is an achievement, guys, 96% of current and former students would ideally recommend University of Greenwich. There are 38,000 plus students that study at this university from 160 different nationalities. And when I say this, I just laugh to myself. I don't know how many countries I know, but I surely do not know how many 160 countries are there in this world. So that's the exposure that you guys are going to get when you decide. This is not just a number, guys. We need to know there's a world out of India. There are so many different nationalities, cultures, languages, skin. Everything is so different. You guys need to get adapted to it. And that's the opportunity we give you with these pathway courses that we offer. Besides, the University of Greenwich was recorded as the top rated for course quality. Located in London, as I said. And this has a history into education which dates back 125 years. And this is one of the largest universities in the UK. These are the available courses. Now, I'm not going to read through each one of them, but if you can see on the screen, these are all fast-moving courses. All my Indian students want to become businessmen. They all want to become engineers, and they all want to become tech freaks. So I've got computing, engineering, business and management. But obviously, the center of the India market is about business studies, so we've always kept that on the top priority. Then I've got another university which is in Bangor. That's Bangor, basically a city in Bangor which is located in North Wales. Now, this university has been ranked TEF Gold for their teaching standards. It has a wonderful ranking. It ranks top 10 in the UK for student satisfaction. But most importantly, it is one of those cities which are very calm, very settled. The environment out there is so settled, gives the student who's really interested to study, gives them the right ambience in order to pay attention and proceed further. It's out of the buzzing city, but surely for those who are looking out for job opportunities, you'll get amples of them. So do not worry about that. Here are the available courses for bachelor's year 0. That's year 1. And these are the pre-master courses. And if you'll see consistently, I'll have business studies. But Bangor is very famous for their psychological courses. So anyone out here who's looking, who's keen on doing psychology, that's your university. The next we've got online is the University of Dundee. This university is located in Scotland. It is the 4th largest city in Scotland, and it ranks number 3 in student satisfaction. It's home to over 3,000 students that live on campus. The success rate of this university is 97%. 97% of the Indian students who've gone to the UK, who've understood the academic preparation, who've understood the English preparation, they've implemented that into their studies, they've progressed to their master's program and successfully gained their pre-master's degree or their master's degree. The available courses for Dundee are as follows. Dundee is very famous for science. So anyone from science here? You see why I've got business only? Anyone for business here? अच्छा उसके लिए भी शर्म आ रही है उसमें भी कोई हाथ नहीं उठाएगा. Anyway, so yes, business is one of my key selling features, and the last but not the least, this is one of my recent partners. एक time था I had to go to different places to explain the benefits of pathways to students. Then came a time I had to explain the benefits of pathways to universities to convince them, look, we need to have these products available. We need to have these options available. We need to give the right support to the students. And that's how we managed to get a new partner on board, which is Bradford University. This university is located in West Yorkshire, filled with Indians. This is the best for global. It's been recognized for the global community, over 130 different nationalities. You see, once again, 130 different nationalities. We just know about 1 or 2 of them. This university is top 5 in the UK for satisfaction with living and accommodation cost, and it has value for money. One university you can count on, one city you can count on where the cost of living is really affordable. Plus, you are within the city, you will never feel left out because the entire city is crowded with our Asian students. It has been awarded silver in the Teaching Excellence Framework. The available courses at Bradford are as follows. You would see business management, computing. That was my promise. I'll give you business studies throughout all the university partners that we've tied up with. And then when the world was, going through the lockdown phase, sab band ho raha tha, the world was falling apart. We had our dreams. We wanted to grow. We wanted to get things sorted. But we weren't able to do that because the world was transforming, but we weren't. We as people were not able to transform as quickly. But Oxford knew this transform is going to happen. Oxford knew this will succeed, and when the world was shutting down, I launched another product for my India market, and that is about Oxford International English Test. What is this test all about? This was a flagship product that I've launched to support the market to get an English waiver. Why is an English waiver important? I did say I've got flexible entry requirements, right? That means if you are a 36% pass, I'm going to take you. But what will I do for English? If you do not score enough, I may not be able to accept you, right? So I give you this test. Just take this test. It's a simple online 3-day test. You start your test on Monday, you get your results on Friday, and it's as quick as I'm saying. Once you've got this test, once you've got the results, you do qualify for an English waiver, provided you fared well. So do not expect this to be a shortcut. This is a support that I'm offering you, but you still need to put in your efforts. So the benefits of this program is it's affordable. First and foremost, it's a very affordable course, unlike any other IELTS course that you may have taken, or PTEs, I'm not sure, but it is firstly affordable compared to them. It's a simple 3-step test, so you don't have to go through a lot of learning process and then you go out giving out a test. Nothing of those lines. Everything happens online. You sit at home, you get a link, you book that test, you give that test, and that's it. You do everything at home. You don't go anywhere else. It's a substitute for IELTS. How many have given IELTS over here? How long did it take for your IELTS results to come out? You heard that? 3 months. 3 months, right? 3 months, right? Yeah, so that's 3.5 months. I'm giving my results out within 7 days. If I give you a training, I'll give you a training of 4 weeks. How much did you pay for the IELTS? I'm giving it for £60. I'm giving it for £60. Oxford International, I'm giving it for £60. You know what is the good news for you? I'm going to take you on a pass class. Mr. Goel is going to offer this test for you absolutely free.